Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1972 Chevrolet Malibu 350 car. Awesome car, guys. I actually got this car locally. 3-owner car, lots of documentation. Car in 2017, 2018 had a complete body up restoration. Beautiful paint, guys. This is a factory code 75 cranberry red car with factory white interior, and it came from the factory with bucket seats and a console, which is just something you don't see a lot. And to be honest with you, most people have taken these things and put big blocks and SS badges all over them and cloned them into super sports. But great car, runs and drives excellent, matching numbers drivetrain in it. Got a great set of BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the SS 5-spoke wheels. And nice car, man. Again, gorgeous paint, fun car to drive. I love the color combination. Great car, just a good car. They've upgraded it. It was factory drum brake car. They put disc brakes on it, which is a good upgrade to me. But very nice car, man. Not a whole lot you can really pick at it. Just a good car. Like I say, just gorgeous paint. You can nitpick the bumpers a little, but they're nice and straight. They're clean, but you can they show a little bit of wear to them. Man, we have really gotten lucky here, man. It's supposed to be raining right now, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it's dried up, and we're going to try to stuff a video in here real quick. But just look how nice everything is on this car. And like I said, whoever laid the paint down did a great job. The sun's popping out. We got nothing but 2 days of rain once this happens, but again, you can nitpick this bumper a little bit. I'd say those are probably the original bumpers, and that's why they left them on there. The car's nice and flat down the sides. This is just a good car, good quality. You know, nice driving, car that hasn't been messed with a whole lot. Got the original owner's manual, window sticker, the Protecto plate. The receipts are in there for the restoration. How pretty that car is. And again, factory red car. Original code 75 cranberry red. Matching numbers 350 car, pretty much bone stock underneath the hood, factory 2-barrel, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering. They've upgraded it to power disc brakes. Just a nice car. Hits the road real good. New door handles, new door rubbers. That'll come out, guys. You guys didn't do a good job of cleaning that there. New sill plates again. Now this was a factory undercoat car. They just put the new black plugs in it. They didn't fill the holes or bond them up or anything. Bucket seats, console, love the red with the white. That factory staple shifter in there. Headliner's nice. Factory dash, 66,204 actual miles. Factory rear defog, factory AM FM radio. This is, they put that in a in the ashtray there hole, so you get a drink holder. Dual exhaust. It is a factory 10-bolt rear end. Not a big gear either. It's like a 323, 331, I think is standard in these. But it's got box control arms with a rear sway bar. You see your numbers are still on your quarters. This is just a great car. Factory jack with spare. Again, tons of original documentation. There's all your original window sticker, your original sales receipt, owner's manuals, original protecto plate, and then there's all the receipts for the restoration. It's all spackle coated in the trunk, you can see. Big fan of this car, guys. Great car. The car's clean underneath. About the only thing I could really, see somebody really doing to this car is maybe throwing a 4-barrel on it. It's a stock 2-barrel car. Add a little performance to it, maybe put a little cam to it. But I really wouldn't touch this car a whole lot. Leave it alone. Good straight car. Seats are nice. Dash is nice. Gauges are nice and clean. Most of these cars were bench seat with a column shift. Just runs as sweet as can be, man. Little baby doll right there. Fuel gauge works. That's really all it's got in there for gauges. Got good sound to it. I know the radio works, blower motor works. Yep. Doors open and close real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of new cars. Pretty that car is, man. Have a great day, guys.